If you're still on the fence about using video for your business, then you need to check out today's video, where I interview an expert in the media industry who has more than 15 years of experience and who is going to share her knowledge on why video is the absolute best way to reach your customers and how you can get started today. My name is Winnie Standish and I have built my successful companies utilizing hard work and dedication. But today I am super excited to introduce to you an expert in the media industry, who is the founder of MD Media Inc. and who is also an award-winning filmmaker and on-camera trainer. So Michelle, why is video so important for your business?
Well, have you ever thought about how clients actually find out about your business? There are many different ways, but one proven and successful way is definitely video. If you don't believe me, there's an amazing stat from Forbes magazine, and it's my favorite stat. And did you know that over 8 billion people watch video on Facebook alone? Just Facebook.
Wow.
Every single day. That's not YouTube, that's not Google, that's not Twitter. So you need to capitalize on that stat. You need to be producing videos every single day. And I know you do that pretty much every day.
I do now.
So that's an amazing thing. And the other thing that people don't realize is that consistency is king, right? So that means putting out videos every single day so that people get to know you, get to know your brand.
So Michelle, is there a preferred platform that we should be putting our videos onto?
So that's a great question, Winnie, and actually every single social media platform actually favors video in their algorithms, which is really interesting. So again, really think about how important that is with your business. So versus, posting text and photos, if you're posting video, you're going to be found a lot more in terms of the algorithms.
So Michelle, is there a social media platform that's better for certain types of businesses?
Again, that's a great question. So depending on who your target audience is, and you really have to figure that out. For example, if you target moms, let's say, they tend to frequent Facebook and Facebook groups, so really think about posting videos there. Versus, for example, if you're a B2B business, you probably want to focus on putting your videos on LinkedIn on a frequent basis. One of the best ways to attract customers is definitely one-to-one and in person, but the second best way is definitely video. And what's interesting about that is that you have the opportunity to market one-to-many. And what I mean by that is your video, if you post it, could potentially reach thousands or millions, depending on what you do with it, right? And depending on the content of the video. If you put ad dollars behind it, for example, you can definitely reach thousands of people. So that's really, really interesting in terms of building your customer base.
Absolutely, who wouldn't want that?
Yeah.
So Michelle, why do customers value video?
Customers' attention spans are literally 3 seconds.
It's like my toddler.
So they value video because people's attention span are exactly 3 seconds. So after 3 seconds, they're lost, they're gone. So you want to catch them right away. You want to offer valuable content, education, avoid the hard sell, but try and offer things where customers are going to come back to you over and over again and watch your videos and really engage with your brand.
So what are some other ways that businesses can utilize video?
Think about personalizing a video for your potential customer, really honing in on that specific customer. Maybe they have a specific query, maybe you want to pitch them. Use their name in the video, talk about your sell points, and send it to them, and I promise you, you will get the conversions.
Amazing.
By 2022, online videos will make up more than 82% of all consumer internet traffic. 15 times higher than it was in 2017.
Wow.
Isn't that the craziest stat ever?
That is amazing, and another great reason for using video.
Right? Including a video on your landing page can boost your conversion rate to up to 80%.
Wow, those are some amazing statistics.
So if you're selling a product, you want to have a landing page and you definitely want to have a video there.
So Michelle, one of the reasons that I love doing video now is because it's really established a relationship between me and my customers. Can you elaborate a little bit about this?
And that's what's great about video, is building those ongoing connections. And what I mean by that is you do have to do videos consistently. So whether that's with a professional or doing that on your own phone, you need to just do them every single day so that you're continually building the rapport, so that there's a trust factor. Trust factor is huge with converting clients.
So Michelle, these are all great points, and I'm so happy that you shared them all with us today. But can you let me know, where can our audience find out more information about videos, and how can they contact you?
Thanks so much, Winnie, and thanks for having me. So you can find me at mdmediainc.com and social handles at mdmediainc.
So Michelle, it's clear to me that there are lots of reasons for getting started with video today, and I think definitely our audience should get started. So if you have enjoyed today's video, I would love it if you could like and subscribe for more great content, and leave me a comment below and let me know what is holding you back currently from starting videos.